thinking.
Ooh, I almost caught you there. Okay.
I was thinking, land would be better to rent, but then I just had a thought. What if we would have came back and this house would have been destroyed, and we had nowhere to go?
Right.
Nobody's renting or nothing.
Right.
So I don't know.
All right, good morning, YouTube family. We've been gone for what, 2.5 weeks?
Yeah.
And this is where we are right now. This is the Hurricane Laura aftermath. I put a video up about 2.5 weeks ago. Matter of fact, right the day after the hurricane, I think it was. And I had put in the video that I was leaving. And I posted it, and I posted it to Facebook. And my friend Ermina Hill and my wife both agreed immediately, take it down because of vandals and looters and thieves. People who don't want to work for their stuff. They suggested that I take the video down because I had put in there that I was leaving going to Georgia, and they thought that would invite people in. So with that being said, let's get started. Currently, Tanya and I are one of probably 5 or 6 houses in the neighborhood on a particular grid, and our grid still does not have electricity. 2.5 weeks in though, a lot of families do have electricity. So right now we're living in this room, AC, cot for Tyrell, my son, when he stays here. Right now his sister has electricity, so he's staying with her. I sleep in this recliner. She sleeps in this recliner. Fitz sleeps in this in his kennel, in his recliner. And we have a fan, like I said, air conditioner. We have lamps. We can even watch TV if we want to. And when I opened the video, you saw those 2 generators. You saw the Powerhouse 7000 and the Predator 2000. And those are 2 workhorses. They are the reason that we're surviving this. And the fact that Westlake never lost water. We had water the entire time. Now, the way I have the generator set up is, I have the cord. As you can see, I got the 2 generators right here. And the reason I have 2 of them is I get one a break. That Predator 2000 is doing an excellent job. It's running the refrigerator, television. At times it runs the air conditioned television.
Washer.
It actually runs the washer and the refrigerator. So that 2000 is doing its thing, but occasionally I give it a break. Now the way I have that set up is, let me go here real quick. I have my cords running in through the air conditioner, and we take that off so we wouldn't have mosquitoes and any air escaping. And I ran my cord. I have a 100-foot cord that I ran all the way through, over the top of the cabinet and into the kitchen. And I run and nothing you see today is going to be neat or pretty. This is after post-hurricane, post-Laura. And we got another one brewing out there in the Gulf right now, or headed to the Gulf. But I have the refrigerator plugged up, and when we want to make coffee or use the microwave, I simply unplug the refrigerator for a few minutes, plug in the microwave, and boom. I have a light right here, and I have it connected to this 3-way plug. I have a light right there that comes on, and we keep that on. And this is something that I bought. I don't think I've shown y'all this on the channel before, if I can get this out. This is a socket that I bought on Amazon. And you take this socket, you plug it in any regular 110 socket and screw a light bulb in. And just a little black part. You screw the light bulb in, and that becomes like a night light. But you can screw up to a 60-watt bulb in that thing. So that has been a lifesaver. The other thing I did, and I don't have light in here, this fan, when we're in the bathroom, I hooked that fan up, and this fan has 2 110 plugs in the side as well. So I stuck another one of those lights in the side of that fan. So when I turn the fan on, the light comes on. So you have light in the bathroom, and you have a little cool air coming through. So that is what we're doing with that. So I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I just want to do a real quick video, let y'all know your boy hadn't forgot about y'all. I'm just in post-hurricane mode right now. And what the project that me and Tanya have going today is, the room that received the most damage was my office / weight room. And y'all can see the amount of mold we got back there. There's no mold anywhere else in the house. So today's project is we're pulling the carpet up, We're cutting that sheetrock out, and we're gonna spray the whole thing down with Clorox. And y'all can see this huge hole. I had the tree come through and punch a hole in my roof. So that was on the original video that I had done that Amina and my wife told me to take down. And I'm going to repost that video probably tomorrow or Wednesday. And we're gonna start over. I got a ton of footage from where we left. We went from here to Mobile, Alabama, back to Covington, Louisiana. Me, my son, and my son-in-law came back. We patched up the holes as best we could. We went back to Covington, picked up the family, and went to Cairo, Georgia, where I'm from. And we stayed there for a week between hotels and things of that nature, and we got it done. So we came back home, and we're still waiting on the electricity, but we figured we need to come back, talk to the adjuster who we met a couple of days ago, and now we can get started kind of getting this house at least headed in the right direction. The other place that I had severe damage was the garage. My wife's spraying off because she's gonna be hitting, she hates mosquitoes. And I think I may have showed y'all this in the previous video, but I took down. This is the other room that took a hit. So I lost, the adjusters total lost this room. So we're gonna have this room totally redone. Roof, we're gonna take this old paneling out, we're gonna put sheetrock in, and we're gonna totally redo this. And I think I lost that refrigerator as well. It's stinky, I don't know if I can get that smell out of there, so we may wind up taking that refrigerator to the side of the road. So that's where we are right now, fam. You're gonna be getting videos maybe 2-3 times a week because we got a lot going on. I know this is a food review channel, so, but this is interesting, I think, so we're gonna be putting footage up from time to time of our repair or our recovery process from Hurricane Laura. Real quick before we go, my Jeep, on the trip, this thing saved us. This kitchen. We just started camping a few weeks prior to the hurricane. Maybe twice we went camping, and this setup saved us. In the hotels we stayed in, most of the hotels did not serve meals because of the virus. So we wound up cooking in the parking lot. Matter of fact, one hotel we stayed at, they actually came out, some of the parking lot attendants, they said we couldn't cook in the parking lot, but once we told them what was going on, they agreed to let us cook. So I made coffee, I had my French press, these two, the Hot Logic. I gotta come back and do another review on these things. These saved us. The Coleman stove, we cooked on the Coleman stove. I have 2 Hot Logics that I kept the food warm in, and this fed 5 adults, me, my wife, my son, my daughter, and my son-in-law, and there's my 2 grandsons. And this kept us going the entire time. So this kitchen was a freaking lifesaver. So y'all know I gotta do a full review on this kitchen because I haven't done one yet. Oh, and y'all can see it's always a red cup event wherever we go. All right, fam. So for now, for today, that's gonna be it. I just want to let y'all know I'm still alive. We survived the hurricane, although we do have another one in the coming up in the Gulf of Mexico. That one's supposed to head toward New Orleans. I hope it doesn't, but we're still gonna get a lot of rain and wind from that thing. As y'all can see, we started the repair process. We cut down several trees, had them removed. The city cut that down so it wouldn't hit their wire again, but they left it standing like that. So either me and my wife gotta pay somebody to get it cut down, and that tree is also a threat. I don't know why they didn't cut it down. We've had a lot of the debris moved here in the yard. That CB antenna that used to be right here is gone. It's on the side of the road. You can see that big pile. The FEMA's gonna, they're paying to have all that picked up. And we're trying to get things back to normal. That tree is gone, and the one that fell on the back of the house is gone as well. So we got a little more cleanup to do. We got to get the fence replaced. I haven't even looked at my freaking, my trailer to see if that tree that fell damaged my trailer. I don't think it did. I think I can get the trailer out of there with a little work. My neighbors, they haven't come back yet. I think those girls, they're distraught. That tree actually went all the way through their camper to the floor. So it went from the top to the bottom. So that camper is totaled. They got severe damage. So y'all stay tuned, and y'all can see this is my major hit right here. It really hammered me bad. So like I said, y'all stay tuned. There's a lot more footage to come. I'm here. I'm alive. The family's all well. So y'all pray for us and that we can make a full recovery and that we don't get hit with another hurricane anytime soon. All right, fam. It's your boy Rosie. Woo, look at that mosquito. Look at that thing. Man, they're bad. Woo, it's your boy Rosie with another awkward video, but here we are. So if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down, and the reason why in the comment section. And y'all please comment and leave me some comments in the comment section. Just tell her you're happy we made it back the whole 9 yards. Thank y'all, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. All right, babe.